Can you see my screen, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, very good afternoon, everyone. Welcome you all in today's session. And today we will discuss about trending skills and certifications to get a job easily. Okay. Today we are going to have a discussion about the trending skills, what are going on in the market, what is the trend of the market, what is the market requirement actually, and some of the certifications that can land you a job very easily nowadays. Okay.
Yeah.
So these are some of the trending skills: data science, technical skills, and soft skills. There are two kind of skills we talk about always. Okay. And the hard skills we can say, the technical skills we can say, these are the hard skills. Okay.
Okay.
And the soft skills and hard skills, your soft skills as well as your hard skills does play lots of role in landing you a job. If we talk about the technical skills, then these skills are your data science, full stack development, business analytics, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, digital marketing, mobile app development, video production, audio production, UX design, blockchain, and animation. These are some of the technical skills that are trending nowadays. They what are having lots of scope in the market.
Yeah.
And apart from it, there are some soft skills. Soft skills means just a second. Soft skills means the creativity skills, collaboration, adaptability, time management, persuasion, digital journalism, sales leadership, and people management. Means the most of the skills what comes under soft skills are your.
It means management skills come under the soft
Sorry?
skills. No? Management skills. These are the means management skills come under the soft skills. No? These are the
managerial skills does come under the soft skills. Okay. And these all are, apart from it, there are some other skills like stress management, conflict management, time management, leadership, team handling skills. Those also are the skills what comes under the soft skills. Okay. These soft skills are something that helps you out to do a job in a proper manner, or to do a job efficiently and to perform well in your job. But these technical skills are the hardest skills that are mandatorily required to perform any particular role or to perform any particular job. Okay, so that is the difference between the soft skills and the hard skills. Now, full stack developer, what do we mean by full stack developer? What is the role of the full stack developer?
आज पापा पास रवि क्यों नानी पास
पापा please mute yourself. Thank you.
Sir, this sound is not from my side, sir.
Okay, Darshan. It's Darshan. Darshan, mute yourself. Don't unmute.
I have.
Okay. So full stack developer, nowadays there is lots of scope for the full stack developer. A full stack web developer is a technology through what both client and server software are developed. Okay, full stack development or the full stack web developer is a technology. Development is a technology through what both of the side of software can be developed, like client as well as the server side softwares. Full stack developer, in addition to mastering HTML and CSS, also knows how to program a browser. What does a full stack developer knows is, knowing the HTML and CSS, he also knows that how to program a browser. This is basically for the website development. This is basically for the website development, like using JavaScript, jQuery, Angular, Vue. Program a server like using PHP, ASP, Python, or Node. These are some of the things that a full stack developer do. Okay, this is something that you can do because there are lots of scope for this in the market nowadays. In market, there is huge demand for the full stack developer. And then further to it comes business analytics. Business analytics also do have lots of to do in the market nowadays. Business analytics is something that is that a technical as well as non-core technical also can do. If the business analytics can be done by the MBA guys also, BBA guys also, BC also, and BTech also. The difference generally used to be that the candidates who are from background to understand it very early and easily. Refers to the skills, technology, and sorry.
You are telling your means voice was break, so you are telling about the business analytics.
Yeah, I'm telling about business analytics. Business analytics refers to the skills, technologies, and practices for continuous, iterative exploration and investigation of past business performance to gain insight and drive business planning. What exactly business analytics is? Business analytics means to have an have a close look, or to have a close analysis of the past trends, and then to judge, and then to expect, or then to give an insight about the upcoming trends about any particular business or about any particular thing. Okay. So drive business planning. Business analytics focuses on developing new insights. What does it focus upon? It focuses upon the developing new insights and understanding of the business performance. What? Upon the understanding of the business performance based on data and statistical methods. In contrast, business intelligence traditionally focuses on using a consistent set of matrices. What does this business analytics do? Business intelligence traditionally focuses using a consistent set of matrices. It does use the matrices to both measure past performances. To what? It uses business intelligence to measure past performance and guide business planning. That what kind of business planning should be done on the behalf of the past trends and the past things what have been done, which is also based on the data and statistical methods. What is it about? It is based on the data and the statistical methods. What are implement to analysis of any particular data. Business analytics makes extensive use of analytical modeling. What does business analytics do? They do use extensively they use analytical modeling and numerical analysis, including explanatory and predictive modeling. They do use explanatory as well as the predictive modeling, and the fact-based management to drive decision making. To what? To drive decision making.
Okay.
It is therefore closely related to management science. Like I told you, it is the business analyst role or business analyst profile can be taken care by technical as well as the non-technical candidates. It is because this is majorly the management science. It's not totally any technical role, or it is not totally non-technical role also. So it's most required. So it is a kind of management science in which you to manage the data, and then you predict the future course of actions accordingly. It is therefore closely related to management science. Analytics may be used as an input for human decision. What it can be? It can be used as an input for the human decision.
Analytics, no?
Or maybe drive fully automated decisions. Business intelligence is querying, reporting, online analytical processing, and alerts. Okay. So this is all about the business analytics. That what is the role of business analytics? How does business analytics do? And why it is required to be done. Basically, the business analytics is done to analyzing the previous trends to do planning for the future, that what could be in the future based on the past. The statistical analysis and mobile app development. This is also technology that you can work upon, that you can go for. Statistical analysis and data mining. Data mining or science and business analytics, these are almost the similar things. Okay, almost similar things, are having little difference based on the technologies used to work upon. Okay, so statistical analysis and data mining, being able to work with data of all kinds, it is imperative for a wide array of employers. It is imperative for whom? A wide array of employers. Then it comes to mobile app development. The industry for the mobile application development continues to grow. Why this is growing? Because nowadays the number of mobile users are increasing day by day. For the smartphones and tablets become the center of communication and work, because most of the works are nowadays being done through the, not the most, but at least so many things are being done through the phones, smartphones and tablets, in spite of using old computers. Okay, this is one of the thing. And technology development have emerged at an impressive pace, so resulting in an increased demand for the people to experience the app development. So the computers, earlier what was happening, most of the things were being done through the computer system, through the computer, desktop computer or the laptop computer. But nowadays it has come, so many applications have come up there, like now you can use your computer, you can use Excel on your phone, you can use Word on your phone, you can use so many other applications upon your phone what were made earlier for the computer only. So this is one of the best way to develop computer mobile apps, so that things can be done easily. Previously it was very tough to carry a computer with a person to anywhere when he is traveling. But later on laptops did came in the market. It does did come, and laptops did solve so many problems of a human being, by making the things, or by making the technology enabled, or by making the technology accessible anywhere with the help of laptops. But in the same pursuit, now what has come, now mobile or the tablets have been efficient at the fingertips, even without opening your laptop. There are so many applications of the computer what can be run in your mobile itself. So you need not to open your laptop, open your to do some things, or to do some tasks over there. Okay, so this is one of the way. Now you can use your bank apps over the computer, sorry, mobile phone. You can use your so many applications. Okay, so this is one of the best way. Banking you can done on your fingertips. You can change so many, like you can change your Aadhaar, you can change your ID card, you can, a number of facilities are there what can be done through the mobile phone. You can take classes through the mobile phone, but earlier it was not possible when there were not applications for the phone. Okay, because initially Skype also was made only for the computers, but later on Skype, I'm talking about the initial days when this, now Zoom has come, Microsoft Edge has come, and Microsoft Teams has come,
Google Meet,
yeah, Google Meet has come. So there are so many things what has come now, but earlier there was only the one medium, that was Skype. Okay, and that Skype also was generally being used by computers. But later on that Skype also came up with a mobile application, and that the things became easy then. Okay, so this is the way. Then SEO and SEM. Nowadays SEO and SEM, search engine optimization and search engine marketing, has become very trending field to get a job, because most of the things are going on online. Okay, nowadays you can see, if there is something in your mind, whenever we do come up with anything in our mind, then we think about the computer, or we think about the Google, to do Google about anything. Okay, so whenever you search for anything over the internet, then you see if you searched for something at once. Okay, once you, so for example, you go for you search for that, I'm looking for a laptop. Okay, I do type laptop, Lenovo laptop. Okay, once you type on Google, once you will type now, you will keep on getting updates, you will keep on getting so many ads upon your phone, upon your computer, wherever your email ID, that same mail ID will be using, at everywhere you will see advertisement of the laptops. What is it? It is because of SEO and SEM only, search engine marketing only. Because what happens, once you search through any keyword, okay, once you use any keyword over the Google, it takes your data and sends it to the companies. Okay, sends it to the companies, and then those companies who are dealing in that particular kind of product do display their ad at your mobile or at your computer. So this is the way how the SEO and SEM is helping to the companies in marketing their product online.
And Google earn the money, like we say.
Sorry?
And Google earn the money. Google means Google earn the profit.
Yeah, Google definitely, when advertisement is being run on platform of Google, then the companies who are running the ad do pay a lots of to the Google or maybe directly Google or maybe any third party. Okay.
Yes.
So many companies are realizing the importance of digital marketing, are regularly looking for people with strong search engine optimization marketing skills to increase their company's visibility and web presence. What companies are doing? Companies are looking for the people who are good enough in search engine optimization marketing so that they can increase their visibility over the web, because nowadays it's very obvious that thing before something comes into mind. Okay, before that a person goes to search upon internet. Okay. So the internet is something that is going to help you out with the lots of information about anything. This tech skill is in great demand for obvious reasons. Increased visibility means more site traffic, and more site traffic leads to increased conversion, customer, and revenue. What does it do? Once you do SEO or SEM for any particular product or website or any article over the internet, it help you to increase visibility. If visibility will increase, then more traffic will come at your website. If more traffic will come, then you will have more number of leads. Okay, which will increase your conversation. Conversation means sales, and that sales will convert into the customers, and customer will give revenue to you. Okay, so overall it is going to be beneficial for any of the company. Then is data science. Data science is an interdisciplinary field. What is this? This is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods. It does not use management science. It does use management science also. It just use scientific methods also. Processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insight from any structured and unstructured data.
Yeah.
What is that? What it does? It does extract knowledge, not just data. It just not data. It just extract knowledge and insights from many structural and non-structured data. Data science is related to data mining, machine learning, and big data. What is about it? Data science is about. I hope many of you are doing data science course, so you would be knowing about it.
Yes, you're saying right, sir.
So many of you would be more aware about it. Is there anybody who can explain to me more about the data science?
So data science means actually it deals with some extracting the hidden patterns or some insights from the data, and doing some analysis and using that analysis to predict the future results, future outcomes in making the business decisions.
Correct. Okay, so this is about data science. We talk about digital marketing. Although we have discussed something about digital marketing, but the SEO and SEM is also part of digital marketing. But digital marketing includes lots of more rather than this SEO and SEM. So digital marketing is the component of marketing. Digital marketing is what? Is the component of marketing that utilizes internet and online based digital technologies. What does it use? It just uses online based technologies such as desktop computer, mobile phones, and other digital media and platforms to promote products and services. Okay.
Yeah.
Earlier, what was happening? Earlier, there was only marketing. What was there? There was only marketing. Then it came digital marketing. People, there was initially we would have seen, many of you would have seen, there was personal selling, upselling, down the line selling, then marketing over the advertisement in the newspapers, advertisement on the hoardings you would have seen, hoardings, banners you would have seen in the market. Physical banners I'm talking about. But nowadays, since the digital marketing has come, now the time has come for web banners. What have come? Web banners, webinars, and some of the digital aids. Such kind of things have come up in the market. And other digital media and platform to promote product and services. Okay, its development during the 1990s and 2000s changed the way brands and businesses use technology for marketing. not about this 1920, 1990 and 2000, okay, but nowadays since this pandemic has come, okay, the role of digital marketing has increased multifold, and there are so many companies who are earning lots from this digital marketing, as well as there are so many companies who are using this digital marketing platform are also are doing good, quite good, okay. And there is a huge boom in the IT sector nowadays because of this digital things only, or digital world only. As digital platform became increasingly incorporated into marketing plans and everyday life. What has it become? It has become incorporated into marketing plans and everyday life. And as people increasingly use digital devices instead of visiting physical shops, digital marketing campaigns have become prevalent. What have digital marketing campaigns become? That have become prevalent, employing combination of search engine optimization. What are these employing? What is the digital marketing using? Digital marketing campaigns are using. Digital marketing campaigns are using search engine optimization and search engine marketing, content marketing. What apart from it? Content marketing.
Actually, content
Influencer
marketing.
marketing. Content marketing is just sending any content to the through the mail, through the messages,
yes,
through
exactly.
the MMS.
That
is the content marketing.
through text, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Like you would have seen you get so many emails upon in your mailbox.
Yeah.
Either you are not intended for those mails, but somewhere you would have clicked, okay, then you get those mails that are the content marketing. That is part of digital marketing. Okay, like there used to be. Influencer marketing. What is influencer marketing? Influence means showing you a product again and again. What to do? So like we are younger generation guys. So what happens many time we do search for any phone, okay. If we search for Apple, say for example we search for Apple, or we search for Realme, Oppo, Vivo, any kind of phone. Once we will search now, then that the marketing campaign will automatically keep on showing us that ad. They will keep on showing us that ad again and again. When they will show that ad again and again to us, we will get influenced. So that is the influencer marketing. What is that?
Influential marketing.
Influential marketing. When they try to influence us, okay. Then it comes to content automation. What do we mean by content automation? Automation is part of content automation is part of Google. Okay, what it does is it does sends content to you automatically as per your age criteria, as per your salary income, as per your income, as per your gender. So that is content automation. You will receive only that kind of content what are intended for you. Have you ever seen any product, or have you any seen advertisement of any these, what we say, lady products? Generally you would have not seen, okay. Because when you register for a mobile phone, okay, then you register any mail ID over there, and in that mail ID there used to be your gender. Understand? There used to be your gender. So once your gender is there, they will not send you any kind of marketing material or marketing content that is related to females. Okay, so that is the way we generally we the males do not receive any content related to females. If we will search for that, in that case maybe they will show us, but automatically they will not show us any product of the female product, okay. But for the females they do show such products automatically. Social media marketing. What is social media marketing? Sorry. Campaign marketing. Campaign marketing is what? Campaign marketing is especially forcing any campaign like running any advertisement in any specific location, with any specific group, okay. Then is data driven marketing. What do we mean by data driven marketing? Data driven marketing means the data driven marketing is related to taking data from the inputs of data science. What we do take data on behalf of data science, and then we do marketing on that data. Then is e-commerce marketing. What do we mean by e-commerce marketing? E-commerce marketing is marketing our products on the e-commerce sites like Amazon, Flipkart, the Nika, such kind of websites. Okay, then it's social media marketing. Social media marketing is part of, like, your LinkedIn, Facebook, and this one more is there na, Instagram, such kind of marketing we do. Then a social media marketing optimization. What does we mean by social media marketing optimization? One is we just run a advertisement over the social media, either anybody is seeing that. But optimization means we need to optimize that, to whom to send that, or to whom to show that advertisement, or whom to not to show that advertisement. Okay. Then is email direct marketing. Email direct marketing is directly getting any email into your inbox about any product or service. Okay, like many times you would have got some email in your mailbox related to courses,
Yes, sir.
courses from the companies like this what we call Byju's, Upgrade. Such kind of companies would have sent some emails to you, or New Learn. Okay, then it just will display
Sir, your voice is
on the website, and automatic, all of a sudden, any advertisement of any company does come in front of you, like advertisement of any watch, advertisement of any mobile phone, or advertisement of anything what would be related to you. Then is ebooks. Nowadays ebooks are also mostly available in the e-form. Then optical disc, games have become commonplace. Digital marketing extends to non-internet channels that provide digital, such as television. Okay, digital marketing has gone to where? Television also, mobile phone, SMS and MMS, callbacks, old mobile ringtone. Such kind of things also have come up in the market. Nowadays you would have seen, they see very good example of mobile marketing or mobile phone marketing is callback. What happens? They will or a call will come to you from a company number. Okay, and they will tell you about that product. Hi, I'm from this company, and we are having this product for you. If you want to know more, press 1. So is tarah se that is called your callback. Okay, old mobile ringtones. Sometimes what happens, you will get ringtone over there. So these are some of the digital marketing kind of ways, different ways to do digital marketing. Then it comes to cloud computing. What do we mean by cloud computing? Cloud computing is, skills in cloud computing are in great demand due to the increasing number of companies moving businesses function to the cloud. Generally, what was earlier, we used to have, big hard disk. But nowadays, time to hard disk has gone. Nowadays, most of the things are upon the cloud. Cloud is, the virtual space where you can store your data. What is that?
Virtual space.
That is virtual space where you can store your data. So skills in cloud computing are in great demand due to increasing number of companies moving business functions to the cloud. The global network of the remote servers, where they are storing their network upon global network of remote servers. Cloud engineers are the people responsible for developing and managing these cloud computing systems. Who are the cloud computing engineers? They are the persons who are responsible for managing these systems, so that end user can easily store files and back up their data. Okay,
for LMS portal, we can say LMS portal. We can say it's a cloud. It's a part of cloud, no, sir? It's cloud computing.
Yeah. Okay. Then it comes to cloud computing requires technical skills to perform migrations. Cloud computing, what does cloud computing require? It requires like migration. To perform migration means migration of your data from one server to another server, as well as ability to negotiate terms with the cloud server providers. What ability they should have? They should have negotiation skills with the to deal with the cloud service providers to ensure data security and implement best practices throughout the process. So that is the role of the cloud computing engineer. Now, further to it comes AI, that is artificial intelligence. This is also one of the most required technical skills in the market due to the growing number of companies that want to streamline their workflows. Due to the growing number of companies that want to streamline their workflows and drive insightful data while minimizing costs, experts in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning are high in demand. Okay, so these professionals usually handle the development of AI. What they handle? They do handle the development of AI. Development of AI is done by these artificial intelligence technically sound guys, so that they can day by day basis they can improve the role of AI, or they can improve the they can improve the intelligence of the machines, so that machines also do start to think like the human being. Okay,
Yeah.
so these professionals usually handle development of AI. They build, what they do, they build, test and implement. They do build AI softwares, they do test it, and then implement it. Okay, before implementation their testing is done. So AI models as well as maintain the organization's underlying AI infrastructure. They do maintain what? Organizations underlying infrastructure. If you want to develop these skills, you will need to a strong foundation in software designing. What you should have? You should have a strong foundation in the software designing, statistics, coding, engineering, and similar fields. Okay, this is basically related to your software designing, as well as your these electronic and communication skills, electronic skills, because this is not the one one way role. The only the software engineer also cannot do it, and only the electronics engineer cannot do it. This is a role of combined kind of role.
Yeah.
Sales, leadership, and video production. What is it? Sales, leadership skill, and video production. Sales is ultimately what keeps most companies profitable. What is sales? It is ultimately what keeps most companies profitable, which means having a sales leadership experience will give you opportunities in many different industries. What will it give? It will give you opportunity in many different industries. Sales leadership is the ability to close business deals. What is it? It is the ability to close business deals and coach others what to do. Actually, what happens when we are there, when any company does make any product, okay, so it is very important that if there is any company that they can sell out their product. So sales leadership skills are highly required to close the business deals and coach others, so that they can close the business deals and they can coach others also. So outstanding sales leadership, outstanding sales leaders are strategically looking at the overall view of an issue and identifying patterns to be improved or areas of the opportunity to boost revenue. They are the basically the lifeline of any company. If sales will not be there, the company will not be able to run. If the company will not make profits, then it is not going to run their business for long term. Next twist comes video production. The ability to record, edit, and produce a video is the valuable modern skill. What is it? It is a valuable modern skill to record, then do editing, and to produce a video. While video production usually requires a more in-depth education, what does it require? It requires more in-depth education, so you don't have to go back to the college to learn these basics. You can learn video editing at home with a camera, a computer, and a good microphone by editing videos. Okay. Many professionals use paid applications, but you can also choose from several free programs if you are just starting. Okay, for this there are paid softwares for using video production, but if you are just starting your career in the video production, in that case you can start with some of the free applications also. It's not mandatorily required that initially also you do need a paid version of any software. Okay. Then it comes to audio production and UX design. Audio production, similar to video, audio production is becoming a more valuable skill in a wide variety of fields. While radio, music, and entertainment are the most common industries. What is this? The radio, music, and entertainment are the most common industries that utilizes audio production skills. You may also find jobs in large companies that produce their own marketing material and advertisements. Okay. So while audio production usually require a lot of training, many online resources can help you to learn the basics. You will need a computer, a good microphone, software for recording and editing to get started. So this is all about audio production. How you can produce, nowadays you can see you do receive call from so many places, and they do have very good influence upon you. As soon as they start to speak, they do start to leave an impact upon us. Okay, so that is the skill. That is the skill and that is because of the audio production skills. Next is UX design, user experience. What is user and is the key to making a digital world work for the people. Without UX, these digital things will not work. So you can find an increasing number of growth opportunities in this field. Getting into this promising industry requires the right skills and training to meet the demands. Okay, so you can learn about it also. This is a UX design. This is basically done to design new creatives. This is done for designing new good creatives. Then is blockchain. What is the companies of all type and sizes are increasingly leveraging blockchain? What are the companies?
So here, sir,
Companies of all type and size are increasingly leveraging blockchain. Okay, the technology that underlies cryptocurrency like Bitcoin to reduce costs, cash flows discrepancies, and transaction processing time. Blockchain helps companies to coordinate with each other and make transactions smoothly without interference from the banks and the other financial institutions. Okay, so blockchain is the technology, although the the Bitcoin is in little hallucination that what will be about the cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. But at the same time, this blockchain is something that is being used for making the financial transactions smooth. Okay.
Okay, so it's means very trending now. It's not trending. It's
sorry.
So it's a very new technology, no sir? It's very means.
Blockchain is very not new. It has been time. Blockchain is being used from last 5-10 years, 6 years, not 10. So we cannot say very new, but yeah, the most of the innovations are being done. New ways of it are coming up.
Yeah.
This is something good a person can go for.
Okay.
Okay. Then is creativity and people management. Creativity is one of the more. Give me a second, please. Yes, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Hannah. Sorry to disturb you. Yeah. So
okay.
creativity and people management. Okay. Creativity is one of the important skill you can develop in the workplace. What is it? You can develop this creativity skill in the workplace. Okay, these creativity skills are nowadays, something that cannot be, acquired. That cannot be taken from anywhere. Okay, it cannot be, but it is just something that you can develop inside you. Okay, so being creative means you have the ability to devise new ways to perform tasks. What is it? It is that you can, uh, devise yourself so that you can perform the task in a different way, meet the challenges and solve the problems.
Yes.
So this way of thinking can help companies move in more productive directions. Thus, creative employees are extremely valuable to a company. So creativeness is not anything that you go to somewhere and you learn it. Okay, it's not that, but it is automatically developed from your.
Yes.
And you should have a hunger. You should have a thrive to be best upon it. Okay, and then is people management. People management means the strong interpersonal skills you should have. If you want to manage the people, then you should have a strong interpersonal skills. So strong people management skills are and strengthening relationships. What is it? It is building relationships, keeping the team on the track.
Okay.
So people management is basically that. How you do manage people, how good communication skills you are having, how well you can manage a relationship with your colleagues, with your boss, with your humans in your company. Okay, then it comes collaboration and adaptability. Almost every type of job requires a teamwork at certain points, because no company at alone. Okay, no single person can run any collaboration. Almost every type of job requires at least some level of teamwork at certain points. This makes collaboration an extremely important skill in most sectors of the professional world. So collaboration refers to working with the others to produce or create something. So this skill allows you to engage with other efficiently and productively. Next is adaptability. Adaptability is the important because as the technology continues to advance, companies that embrace new processes can often stay competitive in their industry. Okay, so who's the things are so uncertain nowadays, and things to get changed at a very fast pace. Things are getting changed in a very fast pace nowadays. So every company requires the persons who can adapt the changes. Today is that technology, tomorrow there will be that technology, tomorrow will be that, and after tomorrow will be that. So this is the way. If people will not adapt to the things, new things, then they will leave behind in the race. So companies are seeking employees who can show strong adaptability skills and become company leaders. Next is creativity and people management. Creativity is one of the important skills you can develop in the workplace. Being creative means you have the ability to devise new ways to perform tasks. What is it? It is that you have ability to devise new ways to perform tasks, meet challenges, and solve problems.
Some means by bringing some innovative ideas, some innovative things, like.
And this way of thinking can help move in more productive directions. So thus, creative employees are valuable to a company. Okay, so that is done already. Next is adaptability, your collaboration, time management and persuasion. Okay, like other soft skills, time management skills such as prioritizing, scheduling, task management, and delegation are high in demand. What is it? These skills such as prioritizing, scheduling, task management, and delegation are high in demand. Time management means working efficiently. Companies in every industry look for employees that can make the most of the time available to them on the job. Okay. Next is persuasion. Persuasion in the workplace entails convincing others to agree to a commitment. Okay, to follow a course of action or to purchase a product or service. Companies especially value persuasive skill in their employees because they can greatly influence several aspects of the workplace, which can help to increase productivity. Okay. Next is collaboration. Yes, yes, yeah. And then digital journalism and animation. These are also the some skills that you can learn about. Digital journalism skills are in high demand for many roles that previously required a person to understand conventional reporting skills. What was it? You know, the earlier there was the journalism in high demand for many roles, where person was required to understand the conventional reporting skills such as writing, interviewing, and researching. While journalists are still required to research, report stories, they will need to deliver update via social media as well as the capturing and editing photos and videos before and during after filing news reports. Okay. So nowadays, earlier there was, journalism is nowadays also journalism is there. Traditional journalism is yet there, but nowadays the focus has been changed to digital. Okay, once you do see anything, that has to be digital so that it can be spread, or it can be spread across the country. But if in case there is something in the physical mode, then it will take time to spread. So digital journalism is most important skills nowadays. Next is animation. The demand for the animator is increasing due to growing need of visual effect in television, movies, video games, and online outlets. So animation skills are most commonly required for creative and technical occupations, such as computer software engineer, multimedia artists, graphic designers, and web developers. Okay, so these are some of the skills that we discussed. Let's be back and have an idea again. Have a So these are the training skills. Okay, data science, full stack development, business analytics, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, digital marketing, mobile app development, video production, audio production, UX design, blockchain, and animation. Apart from it, there were some soft skills, that is creativity, collaboration, adaptability, time management, persuasion, digital journalism, sales leadership, and people management. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
With this, I'll say thanks to all of you.
Yes,
have a good day.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye.
Same to you. Bye.